In this recording in our series of CAM Assist integrated in SolidCAM, we'll be working on this part as you see on your screen. And what should be noted is that this part, as simple as it seems, has fillets on certain edges, on top over here and inside these pockets over here. And it has actually pretty large chamfers over here as well. And we'll be using actually a ball nose to finish off those fillets. So let's see exactly how CAM Assist deals with this part and what operations it'll use at the end of SolidCAM in order to machine this part. Okay, let's take a quick look at our toolkit, and you'll see that our toolkit consists of a ball nose end mill, a chamfer mill, and three different end mills, actually two different end mills with a face mill for facing off the part. Okay, so let's run CAM Assist by right-clicking on Operation and clicking on the first option called Run CAM Assist. Now, it's checking the feasibility for machining of this part, and it finds absolutely no issues for machining the part, so we can continue to go to prepare. When I click on that, first of all, I'll change this into millimeters because we're working in millimeters now, and taking a look at my toolkit. I'll just take a look and you'll see all of my tools have been accepted. They're all good. They're all good to go. And the machine capabilities, material type, the tools that I'm using from the session itself. And all I have to do now is run CAM Assist. I'll run it. You can see that's doing all of the operations that are needed. You can see it's going towards the end. It has one area that it cannot machine, and that, of course, is the very bottom of the part. And as we take a look at our programs, we can see we have the facing, the roughing, the flat machining, and we also have our freeforms for the fillets that we have, and we also have the chamfering in here as well. Let's take a look at it now inside SolidCAM by sending it to SolidCAM. And when we close this, you'll see all the operations are now being created, including the face milling, the iMachining 3D, the floor finishing, and our wall finishing. Also, we have the HSS for the fillets over here with the blend, and we have a chamfer operation for these large chamfers, and always for the sharp corners, we have deburring faces. Let's do a quick calculate all, and we'll take a look then at our simulation, and what we'll see is as follows. Even before we take a look at the simulation, you can take a look over, you can see already that the fillets are machined using HSM, whether it be the large ones or the small ones down in the pocket itself. Quickly running simulation, we'll see that we first do the face milling operations, then the iMachining operations to mill out all the pockets, including that circular pocket over there, the small ones on the side, those holes. It'll do the floor machining, and it will do all the different pockets. And then it will start with the HSS on every single one of those fillets. These fillets over here as well. And now also working inside the pockets. Finishing off this corner here as well. And then having to go over to this pocket to finish that. Note that it's continuing one way or in a spiral fashion on that particular fillet. When it finishes that, it'll do the chamfers, and everything over here is now finished. In our next recording, we'll be doing with another demo part, this time using very small diameter tools.